Lychee is a nutritious tropical fruit that not most effective satisfies your taste buds but also offers numerous fitness benefits. From being a wealthy supply of nutrients and minerals to supplying antioxidants and fiber, right here are 7 health benefits of lychee fruit. 1. Wealthy in vitamin C. Lychee is an outstanding source of vitamin C, that is an effective antioxidant. Vitamin C performs an essential role in boosting the immune system, shielding the body in opposition to infections, and supporting healthy pores and skin. Enough serving of lychee can offer over 100% of the endorsed each day intake of vitamin C, supporting to reinforce your body's defenses and cell overall health. Antioxidant residences. Lychee contains numerous antioxidants, inclusive of flavonoids, quercetin, and camphorol. Those antioxidants help neutralize dangerous free radicals within the body, which could reason oxidative strain and cause numerous health troubles, which include persistent sicknesses and untimely aging. By way of ingesting lychee regularly, you can protect your cells from damage and reduce the hazard of chronic illnesses like coronary heart ailment and most cancers. 3. Helps digestive health. Lychee is a superb supply of dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive device. Fiber enables regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthful gut surroundings. Promotes wholesome pores and skin. The abundance of vitamin C in lychee is useful for keeping healthful skin. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis, a protein that facilitates hold the pores and skin company and younger. It additionally aids in skin repair and allows lessen the appearance of wrinkles and quality traces. Moreover, the antioxidants in lychee can shield the pores and skin from damage because of UV rays and pollution. Boosts coronary heart health. Lychee carries potassium, a mineral that plays an important position in retaining coronary heart fitness. Potassium helps alter blood pressure and counteracts the terrible results of sodium, lowering the chance of high blood pressure and associated cardiovascular issues. The fiber content in lychee also contributes to coronary heart fitness by means of supporting to lessen cholesterol levels. 6. Enhances hydration. Lychee has a high water content, making it a fresh and hydrating fruit. Staying hydrated is essential for ordinary health, as it supports numerous physical functions, which includes flow, digestion, and temperature regulation. Enjoying lychee as a juicy snack allow you to live hydrated, mainly throughout hot weather or bodily activities. 7. Helps weight management. Lychee is a low-calorie fruit, making it a fantastic alternative for the ones seeking to manage their weight. The fiber content material in lychee helps maintain you feeling complete for longer, decreasing the probability of overeating and promoting an experience of satiety. Its herbal sweetness also can satisfy sugar cravings, probably reducing the intake of unhealthy chocolates. Whilst lychee offers diverse health blessings, it is crucial to consume it sparsely as a part of a balanced eating regimen. Some individuals can be allergic to lychee, so it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional if you have any issues or enjoy unfavorable reactions. Playing lychee at the side of a ramification of different fruits and greens can contribute to a healthy and nicely rounded food plan.